Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm quickly reviewing Bondi Rose Sydney, and honestly, I wanted to dig into whether it's actually worth your money or just another online boutique trap. So here's what I found. A lot of customer reviews and independent reports suggest Bondi Rose operates more like a dropshipping style store rather than a true Australian boutique. The biggest complaint? What you see online is not what you get. People say the clothing looks premium on the site, but what arrives is often thin, synthetic polyester that feels very different from the advertised fabrics. Another red flag is the returns process. Several shoppers report that returning items means shipping them internationally to vague overseas warehouses at your own cost, which can sometimes be more expensive than the product itself. And lastly, the site uses heavy discount timers and limited stock warnings that reset constantly, which feels designed to rush buyers. So overall, I'd be cautious before spending your money here.